like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel DVCraft. I am Disha and today we are going to make paper mouse. So let's get started. First of all, we will take a paper and fold it in half. Now again fold it, don't fold fully. Now again fold it like this way and fold this part. Like this way and pop it in like this way. Our mouse is almost ready. Now we will take a sketch pen and draw mouse nose and eyes. Now draw your ear. Like this way. And the mouse is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.